The Indian Railways is set to run additional special trains to make travelling hassle-free during the pandemic. Out of 40 pairs of special passengers trains, 4 pairs will be operated by the Northeast Frontier Railways. It will help to ease travel from northeastern states to other parts of the country. We have a report.
As the country is gradually unlocking amid the coronavirus outbreak, Indian Railways has decided to run an additional 50 pairs of special trains from September 12. With this addition of new special trains, a total of 310 trains will be back on track across India. 4 pairs of special trains will run from Northeast Frontier Railways via Dibrugarh, Lalgarh in the route of Awadh Assam Express. The new special trains from Northeast include Dibrugarh to Lalgarh, Dibrugarh to Amritsar, Guwahati to Bangalore and Agartala to Deoghar. Passengers are advised to follow standard operating procedure during the journey.
ये सरकार का धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे हम लोग। बहुत सारे लोग बहुत दिन से फंसे हुए थे। बहुत लोग बहुत अर्जेंट काम है जो अपने घर जा नहीं पा रहे थे। बहुत लोग मजदूर है फंसे हुए काम करने के लिए एक दूसरा जगह जाना चाहते हैं लेकिन जा नहीं पा रहे थे। इन सब के लिए सरकार का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहेंगे हम लोग की ट्रेन खोल दी है।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। पूरा रेलवे स्टेशन में कोरोना टेस्ट लाता है। एक आदमी को छोड़ता नहीं है। ये पूरा पब्लिक वाला के चलता है काम। गवर्नमेंट बहुत अच्छा करता है।
According to the railway authorities, the average occupancy has increased from 80 to 85%. For this reason, the authorities decided to run a clone train on the route that has a waiting period of 10 to 12 days so that the waiting list can be cleared. Passengers travelling on the train will have to wear masks and download the Arogya Setu app. These special trains will have sleeper coaches, AC coaches and general coaches. The accommodations will be given only to reserved trains. As a precautionary measure, railway authorities have banned linen in AC conditioners. The authorities have also announced that all passengers have to carry personal linen and their own packed food.
We request our passengers to carry their food from home. Limited food will be provided by IRCTC. Packed food will be provided on payment. But it will be better if they carry food from home. We are sanitizing the stations and the trains thoroughly so that there is no case of spreading of COVID in the train.
Trains are an important mode of transportation for people travelling from northeast to other big cities across the country. The services were restricted due to COVID-19 outbreak, but the life is returning back to normal after special measures are taken by the government to tackle the pandemic.